Let's try glow-in-the-dark yogurt.
You can't see anything. This doesn't even glow in the dark.
This sucks. It says you have to hold it up against light for 30 seconds and then it should glow in the dark, but this barely glows in the dark. Alright, but regardless of that, this is quite nostalgic for me because I grew up eating Yoplait tubes, which is basically yogurt in a tube, and the last time I remember eating this was probably in elementary school. And then just squeeze and the yogurt comes out, and that's it. Oh man, just the action of sucking the yogurt out of the tube brings me back. And then once you're almost done, you just... And that's it. Alright, now this is the classic flavor mixed berry. I'm surprised they still make stuff like this, but I honestly don't even know if kids still eat stuff like this nowadays. I remember when I was in like grade 3, everyone had this in my class. If I had to rate this on a glow-in-the-dark scale, it's a 0.4 out of 10, and on a flavor scale, it's a solid yogurt. I would give this a 8.4 out of 10.
You can see a bit of it. What the hell's going on here?
Man, I held this up for a minute and it wasn't even glowing.